Greetings, fellow love seekers. Whether you're a hopeless romantic or a seasoned player in the dating game, we've got a treat for you today. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of psychology and reveal the top 5 tricks that will make any woman fall head over heels for you. And guess what? These tricks are not just some flimsy pickup lines or gimmicks. They're scientifically proven to work. So if you're ready to take on your dating game to the next level and become the Casanova you always knew you could be, then sit back, relax, and let's get started. Trick number 1. Mimic her body language. When you mimic someone's body language, you're essentially creating a sense of rapport or connection with them. Research has shown that people tend to mimic the body language of those they feel comfortable around, and this in turn helps to build trust and a deeper connection. Think about it. Have you ever found yourself unintentionally mirroring the posture or gestures of someone you're talking to? Or perhaps you've noticed that they're doing the same to you. This is because humans are wired to mimic the behavior of those around them as a way of building social bonds and relationships. By intentionally mimicking the body language of the woman you're interested in, you're sending her subconscious signals that you're on the same page and that you understand her. This can be a powerful tool in building attraction and trust, and it can help you to create a more intimate connection with her. Of course, it's important to be subtle and not overdo it. You don't want to come across as creepy or insincere. Try to mirror her movements and gestures in a natural way, and pay attention to the cues she's giving you. If she's leaning forward, you might do the same. If she's using a lot of hand gestures, you can try to do the same. And if she's speaking in a certain tone of voice, you can try to match it as well. Overall, mirroring her body language is a powerful tool in building attraction and trust. Give it a try and see how it can help you to create a deeper connection with the woman you're interested in. Trick number 2. Use her name often. Research has shown that using someone's name in conversation can activate the pleasure centers in her brain, leading to a positive emotional response. This is because hearing your own name triggers a sense of familiarity and validation, which can help to build trust and connection. However, it's important to use her name in a natural way and not overdo it. Using her name too often or in inappropriate contexts can come across as insincere or even manipulative. Instead, try to use her name in conversation when it feels natural, such as when you're addressing her directly or referring to something she said. For example, if she tells you a story about her favorite vacation spot, you might respond by saying, "That sounds amazing, Sarah. I've always wanted to visit Italy myself." Or, if you're trying to make plans with her, you might say, "So, what do you think, Emily? Would you like to grab a dinner with me this weekend?" By using her name in a natural way, you're showing her that you're paying attention and that you value her as an individual. This can help to build attraction and make her feel more connected to you. In short, using her name often is a simple yet powerful way to build rapport and make her feel special. Just be sure to use it in a natural way and not overdo it, and you'll be on your way to building a deeper connection with her. Trick number 3. Offer her compliments. Offering genuine compliments can be a powerful way to build attraction and make her feel good about herself. However, not all compliments are created equal. A generic or insincere compliment can actually backfire and come across as shallow or even manipulative. So, what makes a good compliment? The key is to be specific and genuine. Instead of a generic compliment like, "You look pretty," try to notice something specific that you genuinely appreciate about her and mention that. For example, you might say, "I love the way your smile lights up the room," or "You have such a great sense of humor. I always enjoy talking to you." By offering a specific and genuine compliment, you're showing her that you're paying attention to her as an individual and that you appreciate her for who she is. This can help to build attraction and make her feel more connected to you. However, it's important to be careful not to overdo it. Offering too many compliments or compliments that feel forced or insincere can actually have the opposite effect and make her feel uncomfortable or suspicious of your motives. In summary, offering specific and genuine compliments is a powerful way to build attraction and make her feel good about herself. Just be sure to be thoughtful and authentic in your approach, and you'll be on your way to winning her heart. Trick number 4. Create a positive association. As humans, we are wired to associate certain emotions and memories with specific experiences. This is why the smell of a certain perfume or the sound of a particular song can trigger powerful memories and emotions. The same principle applies to people. If you want her to think positively of you, try to create positive experiences when you're together. One way to create positive associations is to plan fun and memorable activities that she enjoys. This could be something as simple as trying new restaurants or going to a movie, or something more adventurous like going on a hike or trying a new sport. By creating a positive experience, you're helping her to associate you with feelings of happiness, excitement, and fun. Another way to create positive associations is to share positive emotions together. Laughing together, sharing a meaningful conversation, or even experiencing a thrill together can create a bond and build positive feelings between you. By creating positive emotions together, you are helping her to associate you with feelings of joy, connection, and excitement. However, it's important to be authentic in your approach. Don't try to force a positive experience or emotion if it doesn't feel natural. Instead, focus on finding activities and conversations that you both genuinely enjoy and can share together. In summary, creating positive associations is a powerful way to win her over and build a deeper connection. By planning fun activities, sharing positive emotions, and creating meaningful experiences, you can help her to associate you with positive feelings and memories. Trick number 5. Build emotional connections. Building emotional connections is key to building a strong and lasting relationship with someone. Here are some ways to build emotional connections with her. Firstly, be a good listener. Listening is an important skill in any relationship. And it's even more important when you're trying to build an emotional connection. When she talks, try to give her your full attention. Ask follow-up questions and show that you're interested in what she has to say. This will help her feel heard and understood, which is a great foundation for building trust and intimacy. Secondly, share your own experiences and emotions. Being vulnerable and sharing your own experiences and emotions can help create a deeper connection between you. This doesn't mean you have to reveal your deepest, darkest secrets right away, but opening up about your own feelings and experiences can help her feel more comfortable doing the same. Thirdly, find common ground. Shared interests, values, and experiences can help build a strong connection between two people. So, take the time to find out what you both have in common, whether it's a love of travel, a passion for music, or a shared sense of humor. Finding common ground can help you build a sense of closeness and understanding that is essential for any relationship. Finally, be supportive. When she's going through a tough time, be there for her. Offer words of encouragement, a listening ear, or a shoulder to cry on. Being there for her during the tough times can help build a sense of trust and support that is essential for building a strong emotional connection. In summary, building emotional connections is key to building a successful relationship. By being a good listener, sharing your own experiences and emotions, finding common ground, and being supportive, you can create a deeper connection with her that will help your relationship thrive. So there you have it, the top 5 psychological tricks to make her like you. Remember, these tricks are not a magic formula, but they can help you create a positive impression and build a deeper connection with the woman you're interested in. So, go out there, be yourself, and use these tricks to win her heart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below on your thoughts and experiences, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more dating tips and relationship advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.